ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഏവർക്കും easylearnpsc സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നടന്ന ഡയറി ഫാം ഇൻസ്ട്രക്ടറിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ കീയാണ് നോക്കുന്നത്. ട്യൂണിംഗ് ഓഫ് റേഡിയസ് ബേസ്ഡ് ഓൺ റെസൊണൻസ്, ഒപ്റ്റിക്കൽ ഫൈബേഴ്സ് വർക്ക് ഓൺ ദ പ്രിൻസിപ്പിൾ ഓഫ് ടോട്ടൽ ഇന്റർണൽ റിഫ്ലക്ഷൻ ഇൻ ഫോട്ടോ ഇലക്ട്രിക് എഫക്ട്. ദ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ഫോട്ടോ ഇലക്ട്രോൺസ് emitted per second depends on intensity of incident light. The source of energy of the sun is nuclear fusion. The process of conversion of alternating current into direct current is known as rectification. Condensation of charge is option A. Unit of electric potential is joule per coulomb. Which among the following materials that obey Ohm's law? Conductors. A ferromagnetic substance above Curie temperature becomes paramagnetic. The principle behind transformer is mutual induction. A moving body has kinetic energy 50 J. The work done to stop the body is given by 50 J. Hooke's law is stress directly proportional to strain. Action of detergent decreases the surface tension of water. Sea breeze is based on convection. The relation connecting frequency f and time period t of the periodic motion f equal to 1 by t. What are the four fundamental forces of nature from strongest to weakest? Strong nuclear force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force, gravity. Option B. Identify the dimensionless quantity from the following. Relative density. A particle moves along a circular path of radius r. What is the distance displacement of the particle after one complete revolution? 2 pi r 0. Option A. Which among the following is a scalar quantity? Pressure. Which law is also known as law of inertia? Newton's law. First law. Option A. Carboxylic acid can be prepared from Grignard reagent by the reaction with carbon dioxide. General formula of carboxyhydrate is CxH2OY. In fibrous protein, polypeptide chains are held together by hydrogen and disulfide bonds. Enzyme which can catalyze hydrolysis of maltose to glucose is maltase. Which choice contains all the three molecular units found in nucleotides? Phosphate, nitrogen containing base, sugar. Choose the correct expression of Arrhenius equation is option D. The carbon oxygen bond length in phenol is 136 pm. Option C. During fermentation, which gas is released? Carbon dioxide. Identify the allylic alcohol from the following. Option D. Fill in the reagent for the following for the given conversion. Option B. In the Lassen's test of nitrogen in an organic compound, the Prussian blue color is obtained due to the fermentation of. Option B. Purification method used for separating glycerol from spent lye in soap industry is distillation under reduced pressure. Number of moles of the solute per kilogram of the solvent is molality. Option B. Which of the following is an example for an ideal solution? Option D. Benzene plus toluene. The conversion of molecules A to B follows second order kinetics. If the concentration of A is increased to 2 times, how will it affect the rate of formation of B? Rate will increase 4 times. Which experiment is responsible for finding out the charge of an electron? Millikan's oil drop method. Acetylene molecule has carbon in sp hybridization. Enthalpies of all elements in their standard states are 0. Identity the Levix acid among the following. BF3. Which of the following is a buffer? Option B ആണ്. In the first stable product of carbon dioxide fixation in C for plants, oxaloacetic acid. Respiratory quotient RQ is option C. Parietal placentation is found in argemone. Option C. Name the stage at which synapses of homologous chromosomes appears during prophase. 1 of meiosis. Zygote. Choose the selectable marker gene of cloning vector PBR 322. Option B. AMPR. Rosie is a transgenic animal, belongs to cow. Option C. Geitonogamy is the transfer of pollen grains from anther to sigma between two flowers of the same plant. From the list of fruits below, select true fruit mango. The population interaction between barnacles and whale is commensalism. From the following list of and answer option B ആണ്. 51 ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ. 52 ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ്. 53 ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി. 54 option B. 55 option D. 56, which of the following is not a goal of human genome project, option C. 55 option D. 56 option C. 57, which statement is not correct about osteoporosis, increased level of estrogen in common cause of it. 58, enzymes which catalyze transfer of a group other than hydrogen belongs to the class transferase. 59 option C. 60 option A. 61, 2/2 മെട്രിക്സ് 0യും 1ഉം വരുന്നതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ 16 ആണ്. 62ൻ്റെ ആൻസർ 1 ആണ്. 63യുടെ a + b × a - b = a² - b² + a - ab ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ്. ഈ ഫേസ് 3/3 മെട്രിക്സ് വിത്ത് ഡിറ്റർമിനൻറ്റ് a = 5 ആണെങ്കിൽ അഡ്ജോയിൻ്റ് 25 ആണ്. ലെറ്റ് a = ഇത് വന്നു, അഡ്ജോയിൻ്റ് ചെയ്തതാണ് ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ്. 66ൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ്. 67 option B, 1 but not on to. 68 option A. 69 option B, 11 ആണ്. 70 option C. 71 option D. 72 അലഹബാദിൻ്റെത്. 7560 option B. 3 coins are tossed once, അത് 7/8. How many terms of geometric progression, option C. അടുത്തത് ഇൻ്റർവൽ ഇൻ വിച്ച് ദ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ഓഫ് എഫ് ഗിവൺ ബൈ f of x = x² - 4x + ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ 2 to infinity ആണ്. ലെറ്റ് a and b ആർ 2 സെറ്റ്, ഏതാണ് നമ്പർ ഓഫ് a ഇൻറ്റു നമ്പർ ഓഫ് b എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ 4 × 3 12. log 3യുടെ ആൻസർ 0. 78ൻ്റെ ആൻസർ √2. 79 tn + 1. 80യുടെ ആൻസർ 28. What is the primary function of a hydrometer in dairy quality control, option C. Accessing milk solids, non-fat, no content. What is the reason for conducting a sensory evaluation of dairy product to measure the product of shelf life, option C. When conducting quality control for dairy product packaging, what is the primary objective of evaluating seals and closures of containers to maintain the product freshness and prevent contamination? Which of the following milk products does not contain sucrose, skim milk powder? Which of the following fat-rich dairy products does not contain protein, butter? Option C. The minimum fat and SNF content of toned milk is 3 and 8.5. അടുത്തത് which of the following platform test help in finding the seed stability of milk? Cloton boiling test. Minimum percentage milk fat ice cream 10%. Which of the following microorganism is not responsible for the fermentation of milk into curd or dahi is option D. Which dairy product result from the coagulation of milk proteins? That is option A. Which of the following are not true about dairy cattle house? Option 1 only, A ആണ്. 92 hybrid napier ആണ്. Grass is formed by a cross between elephant grass and bajra. Which of the following is not a sanitizing agent, detergent, option D. LT ഏതാണ്? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് വരുന്നത്. 63 degree Celsius for 30 minutes. The pricing of milk in dairy cooperative in India is based on fat and SNF content. Which of the following statement is correct regarding zebu cattle, option D. എല്ലാം ശരിയാണ്. The first phase of operation Fed was financed by the sale of skim milk powder and butter oil gifted by European Economic Community. 98ൻ്റെത് 2 ഒള്ളിയാണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളത്. OF phase 2 started in 1979. 99ൻ്റെത് all of the above ആണ് വരുന്നത്. 100ൻ്റെത് ഓപ്ഷൻ സി. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉപകാരപ്പെടുന്ന തീർച്ചയായും ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക.